Thanks. I think credit has got to the boys because it's been a tough few weeks. But I think from what we were doing in training, the boys applied themselves very, very well because the problem was they were putting pressure on themselves and we were not making box entries the way that I wanted them to. And we worked on it on training. And I think we 80% there. So, yeah, because we scored 2 goals. We could have scored more. And not conceding was a plus. So, yeah, for me, most of the boys are the boys I know. So, but everyone here welcomed me very well. This is why I'm saying the credit has to go to the boys because it's been a very, very short time. That is why I say we shouldn't take all the credit. They did all the work. It's been a joyride so far, but it's only the beginning. We can only grow from here. It's nice. It's nice. I've been asked for the longest of times to be part of the APC Mtsepe League, but I just felt I wasn't ready. Even now, to be honest with you, I was pushed by Umakeba to come here. But so far, so good. So far, so good. I'm enjoying myself. The pressure, I think it's long overdue. It's long overdue. From now on, that's what we try. That's what we're fighting for. We'd like to get there, but we understand. We understand football. There are many results, but we'll fight. We'll fight for the 3 points, that's for sure. So we'll be grinding for that result. Thank you very much.